had to pull over. Woo! And I thought Idaho had a good entrance. This is amazing. Can't wait to see Montana, baby. And right when I was about to turn around, I see this. Oh my God. Made it to our second destination. This is Earthquake Lake. Wow. Now we're going to one of the oldest towns in Montana. Like I just went back in time. Look at this. Look at this life. That's crazy. We're gonna see the most beautiful Capitol building yet. We're going to Helena now. See some more Montana. We up and running. We're on our way to Helena. Apparently there's more than just a state capitol building there. I'm not gonna lie, it looks way better in the pictures. Wow. It's time to go. On our way to see some nature. We just passed the Missouri River. And that's as close as we could get to that. Now we're gonna go to Glacier National Park. We made it here, but we're like in the middle of a snowstorm, rainstorm. The park is closed. We're about to show you right now. Look at the road. That's the second one we find closed. Look at where we are. Dangerous, possible bear activity. Montana, baby! Woo! That is epic. Anyway, we love Montana.